Happy Friday there, Ninja viewers. I'm hopping out in the car to do a few errands, if you will. And the clouds today are just fantastic. It's also very, very windy today. So I don't know if I'm gonna get that drone up in the air or not. Well, yeah, I'm gonna throw it up in the air. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna get it up in the air and then we'll just see how it does on a windy day. I put that drone video up this morning. And normally my videos, if you've been following these vlogs for a little while now, you know that the whole point of doing this whole exercise was to learn how to do videography and cinematography, the editing tools, and of course the SEO, the search engine optimization part of YouTube. But my video skills and my camera equipment and my editing skills, I feel like has drastically improved over when I first started doing this venture. There are still things about it. I'm still highly critical every time I watch a video. I'll probably never be completely satisfied. Any of the videos that I do, I'll probably be critical of them forever. I suppose that's what's going to drive me to try to continue to improve. So anyway, the video I did yesterday, there's a lot of things about it I don't like in terms of the quality, particularly the camera, this camera's footage, because I wasn't paying attention to lighting and wasn't paying attention to white balance and things like that. Really struggled with trying to make it look okay. The flip side of that is I have figured out all the SEO stuff, and that stuff has become very successful. So that DJI Mavic Pro video I knew was going to be high traffic. Within 2 hours it already gained more views than most of my average videos do in several days. On that hand, yay, I've figured out the SEO stuff and I'm, really got a handle on what YouTube wants. The downside is the video was, to my standards, not nearly. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video from yesterday. It was a lot of fun to make. If I had known that my SEO stuff was going to be as successful as it was out of the gate, I probably would have spent a little bit more time paying attention. As it was, though, I was so freaking excited about getting this drone, I wasn't really paying attention, so you get what you get. Anyway, first stop, gotta do the thing. Then I got to do the next thing. So, catch you guys in a bit. Oh, I can't take off here. There's power lines right overhead. Duh. I gotta tell you, that is so freaking fun. It is, let me tell you, a very windy day at the moment. So the winds are about 15 to 20 miles an hour and they're gusting up to about 25. You know, up higher in the sky, it's even windier because there's nothing to block block the wind. And this drone, I just had it about 3,500 feet, maybe 4,000 feet away from me, certainly out of sight, and at about 150 to 200 feet in the air, and cruising around into the wind, against the wind, and then when I felt like it was time to bring her back, set it on return home, and it flew all the way back, found where I was, and then landed pretty much exactly in the same spot where it took off from, in the middle of a field. I mean, just how freaking cool is that? Done with my errands. I'm gonna head back home. I gotta get a little bit of work done today, because can't just play around with drones every day. Gotta actually get work done. But I just wanted to share that with you on a very windy day. She flew just like a champ, as if, you know, like no thing. One thing I did notice though that you have to do is you have to set it to focus. When it gets up in the air, the camera isn't automatically set to infinity. So if you hit the autofocus button, it'll find something in the distance and then set the focus to infinity, and then the quality of the picture is much clearer. So I don't know if that run I got that much footage, because I think the first half I might have forgotten to do that, and so it may be blurry. It may not. It's hard to tell on the little screen outside with the sunshine and stuff. It's hard to tell on my little phone how clear it was, but when I remembered to do it, it definitely looked like it cleared up a little bit more. So hopefully I didn't scare those horses. I didn't even know there were horses over there. That I just happened upon them because I'm flying around in a drone. So it was cool to see them. Anyway, all right, back to work. Back to work, man. Can't mess around with drones all day. Back in the car. I'm taking NinjaBean. We're gonna pick up NinjaScoot. And we're going to go get their hairs cut. And then we have friends we haven't seen in a while coming over. Apparently they're bringing us city barbecue for dinner because they're cool like that. So I don't even have to make any food tonight. So we're gonna do that. And if we have time after the haircut, maybe we'll throw the drone up in the air and get a little bit more drone footage. Let NinjaBean do a little piloting, because it's so flippin' fun. And what's really cool about it is you go up and even if you have one battery, you go up and you fly for 25 minutes or so.
That's a while.
Yeah, it only takes an hour to recharge the battery. And NinjaScoot.
What?
Show the haircut you want to get.
That guy.
Here's what I'm thinking. We should fly a drone. Because we can.
I'm gonna fly it over.
We're gonna fly a drone. NinjaScoot on the drone. Spying on his friends.
I know exactly what you guys are doing! I own the world! Dun 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 dun.
So
Hi! I'm flying the drone! Nice!
So much for the stealth factor.
This is so much fun.
Oh, there's a helicopter.
Oh no.
But you're good.
Daddy,
You're not that high. You're good. You're good.
It's gonna move around. And
No, it's good.
gonna
That
fall.
helicopter is much higher than the drone. Alright, Ninja viewers, that's it for Friday. Hope your day went well. Mine was pretty good. Got some work done. Got some drone flights in, as you saw. Man, that thing is fun. Still messing around with video formats and color grading and things like that. Haven't quite got it dialed in where I want, but still, the footage is just so great. And I've had a couple people tell me today that they could watch 20 minutes of just drone footage. I promise I won't do that to you, but for the time being, you're just going to have to bear with me. There's going to be drone footage in these vlogs because, man, every second I get, I love to throw that thing in the air and fly around and look at stuff. I have an iPad mini. I think I'm going to start using it because while my phone, it works pretty good, I would like to have the bigger screen. It's kind of hard to tell if things are in focus or really what you're looking at on the smaller screen. So with the iPad mini, I saw there is a way that you can connect it to that, controller. And then you get a nice, much bigger screen to be able to view what you're looking at. So I'll try that probably tomorrow. NinjaBean's got a concert. I'm not sure if I'm going to be allowed to film there or not, but if we are, I'll make sure I include you in that. And of course, we'll certainly get the drone up in the air there because we can. Yeah, but with that, that's all I got. So I shall see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos. Ninja viewers are the best. Bye.